In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a brand in Zendesk. Whether you're setting up your first brand or adding another to your account, this guide will walk you through each step with ease. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Admin Center in Zendesk. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Account. It's in this section that you'll find Brand Management. Clicking on Brand Management will lead you to another menu item called Brands. This is where all the magic begins. Now that you're in the Brands section, you'll want to look for a button that says Add Brand. If this is your first time setting up an additional brand beyond your primary one, you might see an option that says Get Started instead. Either of these options will initiate the process for creating a new brand. With the brand creation interface open, you'll be prompted to fill in several important details that will personalize and distinguish your brand within Zendesk. Start with the name of your brand. This should be the name that your customers and audience will recognize and identify with. It's important to be clear and concise, reflecting the identity and ethos of your business. Next, you'll need to specify the subdomain for your brand. This is essentially the URL that customers will use to access your support portal on Zendesk, formatted as something like brandname.zendesk.com. Make sure this subdomain aligns with your brand for easy recognition. If you're using a custom domain, there's an option to include a host-mapped URL. This is totally optional, but it can really streamline the customer experience by keeping everything consistent with your branding. The visual identity of your brand is equally important, so the next thing you'll want to do is upload your company's logo. This step ensures that your brand is visually represented and recognizable across all your customer interactions. Additionally, you have the opportunity to add a branded agent signature. This is a great touch to personalize communications between your support agents and customers, reinforcing that consistent brand image. To round out your brand's profile, consider adding social icons that link to your social media platforms. This is a simple yet effective way to boost engagement and visibility with customers seeking a deeper connection with your brand. Once you've entered all these details, it's time to finalize your setup by clicking Save. This action will confirm your configuration, and your new brand will now be active within Zendesk. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a brand in Zendesk. Remember, a well-set-up brand not only personalizes the customer support experience, but also strengthens your overall brand presence. If you found this guide helpful or have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy branding.